Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make steak red wine sauce. We'll begin by gently sautéing finely minced shallots and garlic in a tablespoon of butter. This initial step is crucial for developing a deep, aromatic base. Cook them until they are soft and translucent, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. This fragrant foundation will elevate the entire sauce, ensuring a truly delicious experience for your steak. Next, we'll deglaze the pan with 1 cup of a good quality dry red wine, like a Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot. Make sure to scrape up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan. They add incredible depth. Let the wine simmer gently, reducing it by about half. This process concentrates the wine's flavor, creating a more intense and complex base for your sauce. Now, it's time to introduce 1 cup of high-quality beef stock or demi-glace to our reduction. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring all the flavors are well combined. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes. This simmering period is essential for allowing all the ingredients to meld beautifully and for the sauce to achieve a slightly thicker, more luxurious consistency. Finally, to finish our exquisite red wine sauce, remove it from the heat and whisk in 1 tablespoon of cold, unsalted butter. This montage au beurre technique adds a beautiful sheen and a velvety richness. Season the sauce to taste with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra smooth finish, you can strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve before serving it generously over your perfectly cooked steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.